Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a piece of equipment that I found to be extremely useful, especially when I'm working and recording and I want to be a little bit more discreet with my microphone. So this is the Rode Lapel Go microphone, and as you can tell, it's got a 3.5-inch jack right here and a small but very powerful microphone. And it's all in white, which is actually pretty discreet, especially if you're wearing a white shirt. And it's very easy to use. All you gotta do is clip it just like that on your shirt. Now the other end goes into the Rode Go system. So I already own this. All you gotta do is plug it into the input, and the other receiver is plugged into my laptop. So I can talk while I want, and it's actually recording crisp, clear audio, which is fantastic. I absolutely love this addition to the Rode system, which is already an amazing system in itself. And I think if you purchase it, you will not regret it at all. And that's my point of view.